Hey everybody, welcome back, and I am back with a Stitch Fix for the month of April. This is probably the smallest box I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix before. So if you don't know, just super quick, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a subscription type box for clothing where you have a stylist and someone styles some items for you and they send it to you. You could do it every month, you could do it every 3 months, you could do it on a as requested basis. Mine I have on as request, so they only send me a fix when I request one. This one, actually, they sent me an email that they were going to waive my styling fee because it had been a couple months since I did a box. So it's a $20 styling fee. So I said, sure, why not? So if I choose to keep nothing in this box, then it costs me absolutely nothing. So let's open this puppy up. I never get like shoes or anything from them, so I'm not surprised that it's this small, but I also did not ask for like jeans or anything. So it's been kind of sketchy the last couple of fixes, and I only say that because the last couple weren't as great as they had been in the past. So this one I wanted to do like a spring/summer fix. So I had requested like summer items, but the thing is I really don't wear dresses in the summer, and I really don't wear shorts in the summer, so I kind of stuck on what I wear in the summertime. Plus I'm always working, so the only time I wear like normal everyday clothes is literally on the weekends. So there's no point in like dressing up on the weekends to like go grocery shopping and like wash the car. So here is the bag for us to send back whatever we do not want. It goes in that bag. It's already prepaid with a label. Okay, so for this fix, like I said, this is our price sheet. We're gonna hang out on that one for a second. I asked for an option for something other than shorts and dresses to be able to wear pants and be casual. So that's kind of what I requested on this one. So this tells us what's in the fix, but we're not going to look because we want it to be a surprise. But I will read the styling card. So it says, hey Amy, happy fix day and happy April. I'm also definitely still in spring mode because I did tell her I was still in spring mode. So I had no trouble finding you several colors and summery feeling tops. For a casual feel with some edge and unique detail, try the Colette Cold Shoulder Knit Top in Olive. Speaking of edgy, I included the adventurous top for you this time around to wear with denim shorts or your favorite pair of jeans. Clearly, I flat out said I do not wear shorts in the summer. The point of this fix was to get me something other than shorts. Wonderful. The verse halter were easy to translate from a piece you could wear under a light cardigan in spring to on its own in summer, and black sandals and a pair of shorts. Again, try it out with the Vigos frayed hem skinny jeans, my favorite brand of jeans, purely because they're snug fit and all day soft feeling wear. So she sent me jeans. Try a pop of color with them in the collective concepts tie, neck top, or a denim on denim look with your new chambray top. XO Holly. I don't even remember if that's the same person. I have to start saving, like I'm going to start saving a screenshot of what I request, or like when you set your fix up, you have the option to leave them, like your stylist, a note. And I always leave a note. That way you have a better chance of getting things that you like. So in the note, I always say no dresses, no shoes, no jewelry, and no bags, because I don't need any of that. Like I want strictly clothes. So the last fix, I ended up only keeping a pair of jeans, which are the Vigos jeans, which she included in here. Vigos are my favorite jeans. The 2 times they sent me the Vigos jeans, I kept them because they're literally amazing. They're my favorite jeans. The tops were completely, like, I kept one top, the yellow flower top, but there was like a hooded sweatshirt that I sent back. There was a chambray top that looked exactly like a chambray top I already had, and then a cardigan in the same color as a cardigan they had sent me a couple fixes ago. So it was a mess. Alright, so here we go. Here is our lot of jean colored, but I do see like this little frilly thing, so I don't know. We're gonna see, because I didn't get pants. Like, I wanted summery pants, like another option that I could wear in summer other than shorts. And I got sent jeans and shirts that go good with shorts. So, I'm not sure 100% what's happening here, but let's put this here. Alright, so first up, oh, I should probably pull out our price list and get ready for that. Okay, so this is the Colette Cold Shoulder knit top, which for me, cold shoulder is not even, it's not even in right now. Like, one cold shoulder is what the style is. But this looks humongous. Oh my god. So there's the cold shoulder right there. And I do believe I saw a knot. Did I see a knot? No, it was just folded. Okay. I thought it had a knot in it. What the hell is going on here? Oh, it was just folded. Okay. It's a pretty green. I do like the green color, but I do not at all like the cold shoulder situation on it. Okay. We'll get to that. What is this? Woo! Alright. Verse. This is the Electo halter top. Halter. What makes this a halter top? This is not a halter top. Okay. This is kind of pretty. I actually like this. Though, isn't a halter top, like, it ties behind your neck? This doesn't tie behind your neck. But this is a very pretty color. Like, I like this pattern. Let me actually bring it in so you can see. I do. I like that. That's very, like, spring or summer. So I like that. That's pretty. That I would definitely wear. God, chambray shirts. Jesus Christ. This is the same exact fucking shirt I sent back last time. Holy crap. Alright. So this is the same exact shirt that I sent back last time. Because I had one just like it. That actually really annoys me that this happened. Okay. So that whole thing just ruined this whole entire fix. Because now I'm definitely not going to keep all 5 because I, for the 3rd time, already have that shirt. What is this? What the fuck is the tag? Okay, here we go. Stitch Fix exclusive. Collective Concepts Wilson tie neck top. Tie neck. Okay. Oh, that's the front. So that's the front. This is the top. So this is open right here. This knitting is open. And then it has a slit in the front that's all the way down here. I mean, it's a pretty pattern, but I don't think I would wear, I don't know. I don't know if I would wear that. Oh, Lord. And then these are the jeans. These jeans are my damn weakness. Jagger Classic Fit. These are the Vigos jeans. Oh my god, they've got rips in them, which is the same exact pair of jeans that I already have from a couple fixes ago. Except this one has like the jagged hem. They're definitely no, they're actually the same color. These might be the same exact jeans I already have. They have the rips in them. Okay, so, oh my Lord. So this fix feels like there was no investigation into any other fix that I had had previously. It feels like they didn't even listen to what I said because, okay. Let's see how much this is, because 99% all of this is going back. Absolutely. Okay. Alright, so these Honey Distressed Fate frayed hem skinny jeans are $68, which is average because I think the other pairs were around $68 to $88. Let's just go. Which one was this? Collective Concepts. This top is $58. $58. Are you kidding me? Okay, that one's $58. The Verse halter top. This is $38. So that's actually not that bad. That one's $38. I might keep that. The Colette Olive shirt is $34, which I 100% would have kept if it did not have a cold shoulder. I've gotten shirts in the past from them that have been short sleeve that have like something like a knot in the front to give it a little detail. If that was like that, like if this was like that, I 100% probably would have kept it. And then the stupid chambray top is $58. So that really sucks. So altogether it was $256. And then if you keep all 5, it's 25% off. So that takes away $64. So the subtotal, which obviously doesn't include tax until you go to do the checkout, the order total is $192, which, you know what, is really upsetting that it's $192 because that's a really good price. That might be the cheapest fix that I've ever gotten. But there's like a lot of stuff that I don't like in here at all. It wasn't what I asked for. This is fix number 7 for me. I feel like I've done more. So I have to try the jeans on because they are my favorite jeans, the Vigos. I do have to try them on. I do have to see if they are the same exact ones that I already have. If they're a different color and they fit okay, then I will probably keep them because I do really, really love the Vigos jeans. And then I do really like that halter top. But here's my problem is that, let me get out my pen and paper here. The jeans are $68, and the only top I would consider keeping is the halter top, which is $38. So it's $106 for the 2 pieces. So I'm honestly not going to try any of this on camera because I 100% am not keeping like most of this. But I'm going to try the jeans on. If the jeans fit, then I might keep the jeans on the halter top. I have to try the halter top on. If the jeans don't fit, then I may not keep anything. Normally, if you pay the $20 styling fee, the $20 comes off of your total. So if I had paid the $20 to get the fix, it would have been $172, which is crazy. That's so good. And I'm so mad that this fix was not at all what I had asked for. And that chambray top really pisses me off because I just got one in my last fix that I said I already had one. Alright, so what I will do, I'm really mad. I'm actually really mad that about this. I don't know. I have to try the jeans on and we'll go from there. So what I will do, is because I know I'm not keeping any of the other stuff, I'm not going to try it on. So what I'll do is I will put in the comments what I ended up doing with the jeans and possibly the halter top. And then if I keep nothing, a lot of times they will send out another fix with no styling fee to give it like another try. So I may just do that and then try and reiterate that I wanted like non-jeans like and summery stuff. So I don't know. But if you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself and give it a try, there is a code down in the bottom. Just follow that link and you can try it out for yourself. You get money off, I get money off. It's fun. Like, it's a fun thing, but I was just annoyed because I asked for something specific for the summer, maybe for Easter, because it is coming up on Easter. I was hoping maybe like a nice pair of maybe like linen pants or lightweight pants that I can wear for Easter, and then I got ripped jeans and a chambray shirt, which I would not wear together because she said denim on denim. Like, what are we doing? We're not doing that, that's for sure. Okay, so look in the description box down below and we'll let you know what happened with the jeans and if I decided to keep the halter top. And then, yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until the next one.